In this episode, we're going to break it down, clean it, and reassemble using a cheap and simple solution. We're going to start by removing all the net cups and then removing the plastic trash bag. Now we're just going to remove the intake manifold and start removing the rails. That's simple. And all we have left is the bare bones of the system. As far as the exhaust manifold, I'll scrub it down, rinse it out with a cup of water, and let it drain back into the tote. And as for the water in the tote, I'll give it to my plants in the yard. Now we're just gonna take everything outside, shoot it down with the solution, and give it a good scrub. A toilet brush works good for this job. As far as the solution, it's just 50% water and 50% vinegar. It does an excellent job at breaking down the salts and the hard calcium. We have real hard water here in Nevada. Vinegar and water does the job. Next, just give it a good rinse. Dilution is the solution. And now we got everything clean. It's time to reassemble. I make it a point to clean my system every 3 months, and it only takes me about an hour. It's a small price to pay considering all the beautiful vegetables that I grow in this system. And now I'm just gonna fill up my tote with some tap water, reconnect the intake manifold, reconnect the pump, and then reconnect the drain. And as for the tap water in my reservoir, I'll let that sit 24 hours to 48 hours to off-gas the chlorine, and then we can start mixing some nutrients and adjust the pH. In a upcoming episode, we're gonna plant these watercress and basil in the system. Thanks for watching.